How on earth is the Earth a system? First, let's define a system. A system is a group of parts that interact with each other. For example, a bike is a system made up of different parts such as the wheels, the pedals, and the chains that work together to allow a rider to move. Much like a bike, the Earth cannot exist without each part. So if the Earth is a system, what are its parts? There are 4 parts, or spheres, of the Earth's system. The atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the geosphere, and the biosphere. The one that you may most be familiar with is the atmosphere. It's the air that surrounds you that we all breathe in. Now, you may think that the air is just oxygen, but it's actually composed of many other gases such as nitrogen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Next, we have the hydrosphere. Hydro refers to water, so the hydrosphere contains all of Earth's rivers, oceans, lakes, ice, and even groundwater. The geosphere is what we are standing on right now. It's everything from the dirt in your backyard to Earth's inner iron core. And finally, we have the biosphere, which encompasses all the living things on Earth, including you, your dog, your friends, and everything in between. But now that we have defined each sphere, how does each relate to Earth's system? Well, each sphere is actually very closely intertwined with all the others. Very rarely does one change without affecting another. For example, the water from this gorge, part of the hydrosphere, is constantly carving out the rocks in this canyon, an element of the geosphere. The minerals in the rocks get dissolved in the water, potentially changing the pH. If this sudden change in pH kills off the plants on the banks of the river who are part of the biosphere, they won't be able to photosynthesize and contribute oxygen to the atmosphere. It's a whole chain of events and effects that the Earth is continuously balancing out. Even right now, at this very moment, you're contributing to the Earth system. So good job, and keep up the good work. You're part of the system that keeps this Earth healthy.